Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. Eat a healthy breakfast. It's often called the most important meal of the day. That may be even more true for people with diabetes. A morning meal helps to keep your blood sugar steady all day long. Here are best breakfast food for people with diabetes. Number 1. Vegetable omelet. Pile on non-starchy vegetables, such as broccoli, spinach, kale, and tomatoes. They're low in carbs and high in fiber and nutrients. They're also good sources of vitamin C, and research suggests that getting enough of the vitamin can help your body manage blood sugar. Add cooked vegetables and low-fat cheese to eggs. Serve the omelet with a slice of whole grain toast. Number 2. Sweet potato and chicken sausage hash. Bacon and beef sausages are high in saturated fat and salt. For a healthier breakfast, choose chicken or turkey sausage. A 3-link serving has 12 grams of protein, but half as much fat as the beef kind. Serve it in a hash. Sauté mushrooms, onions, and bell peppers until soft. Add spices, chicken sausage, and a splash of water. Cook for a few more minutes, and then toss in diced cooked sweet potato for extra fiber and vitamin C. Number 3. Greek yogurt parfait. Creamy Greek yogurt has less sugar and fewer carbs than the regular kind. It's also high in protein, with 23 grams per cup. Layer non- or low-fat plain yogurt with fiber-rich berries and nut, such as walnut and almond. The nuts add crunch and healthy fats. Number 4. Egg sandwich. Scrambled, boiled, or poached. Eggs are packed with protein. There's 6 grams in a large one. Protein takes longer to digest, which may help keep blood sugar levels steady. For an on-the-go meal, make a sandwich with a scrambled egg, low-fat cheese, and tomato slice on a whole wheat English muffin. You can add a slice of lean meat, such as low-sodium ham or turkey, for extra protein. Number 5. Nut butter and fruit. Give the classic PB&J a healthy upgrade. Spread no sugar added peanut, almond, or other nut butter on whole grain toast. Look for bread with at least 3 grams of fiber per slice. Top with fresh fruit, such as slices of strawberries or raspberries. You can also swap the bread for whole grain waffles or pancakes. If you're using the frozen kind, check that the label lists a whole grain as the first ingredient. Number 6. Overnight oatmeal. High in fiber, oatmeal can help keep blood sugar levels in check. Choose rolled or steel-cut oats. They're less processed than the instant kind. Top them with fruit for sweetness and nuts for an extra dose of protein. Mix 1 part oatmeal with 2 parts water or low-fat milk. Leave it in the fridge for a creamy bowl in the morning. Number 7. Avocado toast. This creamy green fruit is loaded with nutrients and heart-healthy fats, and each half has 7 grams of fiber. That combo helps you stay full for longer, which promotes weight loss. Smash half an avocado onto a slice of whole grain bread. Add a squeeze of lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Top with a hard-boiled, fried, or poached egg. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.